Hi there. Today we are going to examine network and network address translation on a multifunction device. In this case, we're talking about the Linksys WRT300N. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and access the configuration window for the Linksys. And here we are right here. And then we want to go to the GUI tab. And once we're in that tab, just extend this a bit so you guys can see it. There you go. And now we're going to go to the status menu. And we're going to look through it and check out what has been assigned, the IP address of it. You've got 209.165.200.227, subnet mask 255 for the first three octets, ending with 224. And now we're going to go back up to the top, click here on local network. And we're going to check out the information, the local MAC address, which is the address for the physical hardware, the router IP address, and its subnet mask, and it looks like it does have dynamic host configuration protocol enabled with a range of 100 to 149. And good to go there. So we're going to go ahead and close that out, and we're going to go ahead and connect 4 PCs to this. So here we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to connect them with straight through cable. So we got one go through fast Ethernet, hook it up to Ethernet 1, fast Ethernet and Ethernet 2, fast Ethernet and Ethernet 3, and fast Ethernet and Ethernet 4. Alright. Next thing we're going to do is, on each device, we're going to go ahead and activate dynamic host configuration protocol so they can automatically get assigned a IP address from the Linksys router. So go here to fast Ethernet, dynamic host, wait for it to populate with an IP address. Alright, we got our IP address, and we're going to go ahead and close that out, do it on the next one. Alright, I went ahead and changed all those so they had that enabled. Just didn't want to have to bore you guys, have me change every single one of them. So now we are going to look at network address translation across the Linksys router. So we're going to go ahead and go into simulation mode here. And then we're going to create a complex packet to send through there so we can observe it. And we're only going to check the filters here. We're going to unclick them all, and we only need a TCP and HTTP. So there's that, and TCP. And we're good there. Okay, and then we're going to click on the packet and specify the PC as a source. We're going to use 0 in this case. And we have our complex PDU window here. And the application we're going to send it through is HTTP, Hypertext Translation Protocol. And next, we're going to specify the server here, syscolearn.nat.com, as the destination. We're going to go down here to source port. We're going to assign it to 1000. And under simulation settings, we're going to set the interval at 120 seconds periodic. Go ahead and create that PDU. And since I have a big enough screen, we can see the whole of the network topology, so don't need to do that next part. Double click it to remove it like that. And now we're going to go ahead and look at the traffic flow here. Okay, we can go ahead and speed this up, give you guys an idea of how quickly it goes. Okay, then we're going to double click right down there, and it is going to display an envelope in the work area representing where that is. Alright, sorry about that. I had to let it run for a bit till I could catch the envelope that I needed. So what we're looking at here is all the information about the packets that were sent to the web server of syscolearn.nat.com. So here we can see that the source IP for this particular packet was 209.165.200.227, and its destination was within those same first octets, and then 228. And then on the outbound, you can see that it does the same thing, but it flips it. 228 sends it back to 227 right there. And we are good. So thanks for watching my video on how to examine the network address translation using Cisco Packet Tracer. Thanks for watching and have a great day.